Hey, what's up you guys? Putting a trailer hitch on your Toyota Highlander can take you to some really cool places, like biking, camping, or even towing a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Let's go ahead and break that down. You'll need the tools seen here to complete your installation. We're going to start by prepping the underbody of our vehicle for our hitch. We're going to remove the two underbody panels on both sides of our vehicle. On the driver's side, it's held in by 4 screws and 2 push pins. We're going to remove the 2 push pins using a flathead screwdriver, and we'll remove the 4 screws using a 10mm socket. Now we'll remove this panel, and to make it caught on this tab up here, we're just going to pull up on it and we can remove our panel. On the passenger side panel, we're going to remove 1 push pin and 3 screws. We're going to remove the push pin using a flathead screwdriver. Now we'll remove these 2 screws using a 10mm socket. And then we'll remove this one on the frame using a 14mm socket. Now we'll remove this panel. And just like on the other side, we'll just pull up on this tab. Back on the driver's side, we're going to start by removing this tow hook. It's held in by 2 screws that we'll remove using a 14mm socket. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. And these will not be reinstalled. Now on the driver's side frame rail, we're going to remove this rubber plug, and this gives us all 3 of our attachment points for our hitch. Now on the passenger side frame rail, we're going to remove these 3 rubber plugs on the side, and our hitch is going to attach using these 2 weld nuts on the bottom and the 2 outside ones on the side. Now we're ready to bring our hitch into place. We're going to be using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have a hitch jack, we do recommend that you get an extra set of hands, as this hitch is a little heavy. We're just going to slide it over our exhaust. You may have to pull it down a little bit. Now on the passenger side, we're going to pull down on this plastic lip. Now we're ready to bring our hardware into place. All of our attachment points use the same size bolt, and it comes with a conical tooth washer. We want to make sure the teeth are facing towards the hitch. And we'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. And we'll repeat on the passenger side. Now we'll tighten and torque all of our bolts to the manufacturer's specification. We'll be using a 17mm socket for each bolt. Now we'll reinstall our passenger side underbody panel, and our driver's side will not go back on since the hitch is in the way. With our hitch installed, we pulled our vehicle down onto level ground to show you some important measurements for your hitch accessories. This is a 2-inch receiver. From the pinhole to the edge of the bumper is 1/2 inch, and from the ground to the top of the inside of the receiver is 15 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories, such as a bike rack or a cargo carrier. So that wraps up our install and our video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about this product, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with the U-Haul Hitch Professional, you can visit your closest U-Haul Hitch Center, or you can visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. Thank you.